How to find product settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find product settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. First open your browser, and now once you're here click settings, and as you see here you will find Bigcommerce settings. Then all you need to do just scroll down until you find products, and that's it. Just manage, just select anything you want here: inventory, gift wrapping, or comments, and that's it. You can manage it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.